Yo, what's good YouTube? Today we have a really cool video of an unboxing and how-to, so definitely you don't want to miss this. If this is your first time here at the channel, my name is Endless. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're into this kind of stuff, hit that like button and subscribe and follow my journey. Yo, what is going on? Let's go on ahead and jump into this unboxing here. Today we're going to be reviewing this wireless car FM transmitter. It has a quick charger and it's pretty fascinating. The reason why I purchased this is because I recently just got a Chevy Tahoe 2011, and come to find out it does not have Bluetooth on the head unit, so I can't hook up my phone or anything. So I had looked online and I found one of these for about $25 after shipping and everything. And what it's going to do is you can plug it into your cigarette lighter, and as you can see here on the display, it says that you can take calls and everything, and it'll transmit it through the radio. There's a couple other cool little features on here which we're going to test out, so let's jump into the video. So let's go ahead and take that off there. And there's not really a whole lot to this with this packing. Let's go ahead and open this. Something I just realized, it actually came with a fuse. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. Also came with a user guide and an auxiliary cord. All right, so here it is. You could pick from several different colors. I actually picked this color here because my interior kind of reflects this color. So I got the one that would kind of match and, you know, look nice for the most part. But it's pretty straightforward. All you do is you plug this straight into the cigarette lighter, and then you can turn this. And this was the other reason why I got this. Look, you can change this display wherever you want it. So that's the main reason why I got it. They have a couple that just come straight out from the cigarette lighter. I didn't really want that, so I picked this one. I'm kind of hoping that when I use the XM satellite radio app, that I can change the channels right here. That's what I'm really hoping for, because that would be a really cool feature, because even the last vehicle that I had traded in had Bluetooth and you could not change the channels with it. You had to change it on the phone. So that's going to be pretty interesting to see. And, you know, we'll jump right into it. The other cool thing is also is you have a quick charger here, the one on top, which is the 3 amps. And then you also have a slower charger, which is 2.4. But in my opinion, USB 2 is still fast to charge. USB 3 will charge it a lot quicker, so that's pretty interesting. I'm going to have to look through the directions to see why they sent me a fuse, because I'm not seeing anywhere where this would go exactly. So let me go on ahead and look into the manual. All right, so it says right here, and actually shows a diagram. It says it includes a spare fuse. So that's really interesting. I've never seen anything like this where they actually have the fuse inside the cigarette lighter. It actually shows how you can take it apart and everything. It sounds like it already has one in there because it says how to install the fuse, but let's take a look here and see if it'll actually come apart. Well, I just confirmed there is a fuse in there. You can kind of see it here. You can't see it on the camera, but there is a fuse in there. So this is just a spare fuse. So we'll just hold on to that. I highly doubt we're going to pop that fuse. But anyway, let's get into the installation and plug it into the car. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plug this thing in. Nice. Got a voltage meter on it for the battery. It says it's looking right now. Kind of sits out a little far personally in my liking, but it still looks nice. So there we go. So now it's on there. Looks like the max volume is 30. What we're going to do is we're going to try and hook up to the FM transmitter and see what happens. All right, so I did press this button a couple times and you can see the Bluetooth blinking. I did a search and this seems to be it right here, so let me pair up to that. And it says that it is connected. It shows here that this isn't blinking anymore, so now we should be connected. So let's go on ahead and try and play some music and see what happens. And boom, it is working. Party duck, party duck, party duck, party duck. Oh! Partied up. Partied up. All right, so overall, this is a really cool device. I like that it has the transmitter, it has the USB chargers down here, as you can see there, and it seems to be a really cool device. It's working well. The only disclaimer that I have about this, okay, is that when you are hooked up over a radio frequency, because you have to set your radio to what this is, so 87.9 is what I have to select to, and that's what's on here. If there are vehicles around you that are just so happen to be skipping through the radio stations, they can pick up on the music that you're playing. Now, there's no problem with that. The problem is if you're doing voice on here, because this, you can also do phone calls on here. This will transmit your audio calls through this device also. So if there's a car nearby, they're going to pick up on your conversation of what you're talking about. So just keep that in mind with this. I have a music phone, so it doesn't really concern me much, but that is one of the things that I would recommend paying attention to, is that. But other than that, it's a cool device. 2 thumbs up over here. It does exactly what I need it to, and so far, no complaints. This is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're into this kind of content, definitely follow my journey here and subscribe. This is your boy Endless. Talk to you guys later. Peace.